Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our July Allure Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details about this down below so you can check it out for yourself. Plus there is a $10 off coupon code so you can get that amount off on your first box. Now, the Allure Beauty box, yes, it is affiliated with the Allure Beauty magazine. All right, so you know they know all things about beauty and they are fine about sharing it with us. So let's just go ahead in and see what comes in our box. So when we open the box, of course, this is what the inside looks like. And across the top, it says, "We know beauty best." Now, it does have not necessarily a description card, but it is enclosed in their little mini magazine. And this one shares all the details and theme for the July box. And it says this month's theme is a summer loving. It says, by the middle of July, I might be feeling hot and sweaty, but you'd never know it thanks to the products in our latest Allure Beauty box. And that's the one we're about to open. Now, we will start with a product that we were given the option to choose the shade that we wanted. All right. And that is by House Beauty, and it's this one right here, and this is Lady Gaga's brand, and it says it's color fused glassy blush balm stick. Now it had 4 shades of which we got to choose: glassy pitaya, glassy lilac, and glassy rosette. Now it says everything about this cream blush is fun, and each adorable, colorful stick is a joy to pull out of your makeup bag and tap onto the cheeks. Its radiant finish makes glowing skin a cinch, and the sheer summery flush livens up your whole look. Basically, it's that youthful glow we're all chasing, but in a tube. And it says that this one is a full-size product, of course, and that full-size product is 0.18 ounces. Now, let's see what other information it gives us about it. It has an 18-month shelf life. It's created with kindness, and it is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. How about that? So, of course, as I showed you, this is what the outer package looks like. This is what the inner package looks like. All right, now the shade that I chose was glassy lilac. Now y'all know here on this channel we swatch at the end, so, and I'm pretty sure we're going to swatch this one. 18-month shelf life is not bad, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this is $34. All right, this is what the shade looks like, exact color of the inner packaging. So here we go. All right, so give us a little bit and we'll be checking this shade out as we swatch. Then let's keep going. The next item we have, we are all very, very familiar with, and this is by Benefit Cosmetics. And this is the Professional Primer. It says, like a soft focus filter for your face, this primer has a blurring effect that's very welcome if you're looking to hide pores. A tiny bit is enough to help make skin look more even with less noticeable pores, and it's got a velvety texture so your makeup can wear more smoothly on top. Now, this one is a 22 milliliter or 0.75 US fluid ounce size. This right here, of course, you know, this is their very well-known packaging. Okay, and it says smooth and silky, lightweight, translucent, non-comedogenic, and 91% said it minimizes the appearance of pores. Here's the inside packaging, which we all are familiar with, and it's exactly the same. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $35. 12-month shelf life, $35. Not bad at all. Now, I did just realize I forgot to tell you what the price of this subscription service is, which is $25 per month. Now, we've gotten 2 full-size products so far. We've more than paid for the box almost 3 times already. Not bad. So this one is item number 2. Let's keep going. The next item that we have is by Paul Mitchell, and it's this one right here. And it says this one is the Paul Mitchell Bond X Reparative Oil. Or you could have gotten the leave-in conditioner. I got the reparative oil. And it says summer isn't always kind to hair when things like humidity and time in the sun can cause frizz and dullness. Fun? Don't think so. These coddling treatments help get your hair looking frizz-free and shiny with minimal effort. Now that is actually fun. Now, this one that I have is a 25 milliliter or 0.85 fluid ounce size. All right. Now, guess what? That is also a full-size product. So we have received 3 of them. Now, it says that this one is a cruelty-free, color-safe, and vegan product. It's designed to repair and shine. Okay, we're here for that. And this one has a 12-month shelf life. Now, this is kind of a large packaging, so let's check it out. Here we go. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay. But it is, as they stated, a full-size product. So, okay. Now, we do know Paul Mitchell to be a kind of pricey brand. So let's just check and see what the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is. And, oh, that's not bad at all, considering. But it says this is priced at $28. Now, I do want to let you know that all of these items that I've shown you so far, they do have coupon codes in our mini magazine here so that you can get between 15 and 20% off when you shop the brand's websites. All right. So this one is item number 3. We still have 3 more in the box. Now, the next one we have is I'm going to say a travel size. This is by Tatcha, and it's the Dewy Skin Cream. And it says, can the chemists at Tatcha read minds? Everything we look for in a summertime moisturizer is in this little pot. The bouncy cream is hydrating but not heavy, ideal for muggy days. Oh, I should have had this on today because it's extremely muggy outside. And it has a luminous finish that makes skin look fresh and radiant. As you can tell, this is definitely a travel size. Now, the regular standard size is 50 milliliters. This one is a 10 milliliter size. So the full size is about 5 times bigger than this. As a matter of fact, I do have a full size one here. This is what the full size looks like, okay? So just so you know, but this size is $72. Travel size, full size. Just so you know, okay? So the good thing is if you're not going to be gone too long, you can take this one with you when you travel, come back home, and you're still okay. So this one comes with that 15% off coupon I was telling you about. And it has a 6-month shelf life. So when you open it, make sure you're ready to use it. I'm not sure if that's what the full size has. Yes, it does. The full size has a 6-month shelf life as well. So make sure when you open it, you're ready to use it. Okay, now let's keep moving. 2 more products left. The next one is by Skin&Co. I am such a fan of Skin&Co's brand. This one is the Roma Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. All right, and it's a full tube. So it says, washing your face doesn't have to be boring. This gel cleanser feels soothing going on, and the smell is reminiscent of marzipan. Not in a bad way, to start or end the day. All right. Now, this one, as I stated, is the travel size product, and it is 20 milliliter size. But if you were to get the actual size, full size product, it would be 200 milliliters. And now this is the only, well, I can't say that because they're constantly coming out with new things. This one, the fragrance is called Morning Dew, but of course, as they said, it smells like marzipan. Okay, so that is this one. If you were to get the full size, it's $25. That's not bad. For it to be 10 times this size, okay, all right. And it says this one has a and this one has a 12-month shelf life. So not bad at all. Now we have one last product. What are you thinking so far? I guess I probably should have asked you that like halfway through, but nonetheless, we're just gonna keep going. So the last item that came in this month's Allure Beauty box is the Mighty Patch, and that's this one right here. This says Hero Mighty Patch, Invisible Plus. It is a 6-count pack. Yes, 6-count pack. It says, if you got a pimple, these have got you covered, literally and figuratively. Pop one on a breakout overnight or during the day and let the hydrocolloid patch do its zit shrinking thing. Not bad. Now this one is a travel size package or sample size package because it has 6 in it, but if you were to get the full size, it would be 39 of them in it, and the price would be $17.99. That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. That's about 50 cents, give or take a little bit each. So that's not bad at all. It says, but this is your blemish hero. And it says they are sterile and don't let a zit get in the way of a great day. Nice. Now, it doesn't tell me if it is a cruelty-free product or not, but it says gently absorbs pimple gunk in 6 to 8 hours. It's drug-free and dermatologically tested and reviewed. Okay, not bad. So what do you think? What do you think about this month's items? I do enjoy the fact that we do have another 3 full-size products. We do have some travel, carry along with us items so that we can check them out to see exactly how we feel about them. Now, what are your thoughts? Have you received your Allure Beauty box yet? If you haven't, hopefully you'll get it any day. Are you familiar with any of these products? Please let me know. Please let me know. But guess what? Since we're at the end, you know what we're about to do is only really one item that we have to swatch. And that is this beauty right here, which is the blush. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to swipe a small amount right across. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. That is beautiful. And you know what? I used to have a lipstick this color. I'm going to have to go on to their website and see if they do have a lipstick that comes in this shade. This is beautiful. All right, well, let me know down below. I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our July Allure Beauty box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all the full-size items that were included. All right, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts down below, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know what? It's so easy on the pocket. Why? Because it's free. Get yourself set up with knowledge of all of the monthly subscription boxes that we unbox for you. If there is one that you'd like to see, let me know that down below as well. All right. And now share this video. Share it with someone who you think may enjoy the Allure Beauty box or who may need to see some of the items that they could get. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.